Hey guys, this is my 2012 BMW 550i xDrive. I ended up winning it off Copart, planning on doing a rebuild video, seeing how the car is, how the build goes and everything. As you can see, it's a front end hit. Luckily no frame damage, overall pretty light hit. You can see the insurance already paid the shop to start taking the car apart. Fortunately they didn't include all those parts, so it kind of sucks not to have the brackets and those little bolts, but overall should be easy fix. Fun fix too, pretty fun car. A couple airbags went, roof, steering wheel, so I'll be showing how to change all that out. Car runs and drives great. V8 4.4 twin turbo, all-wheel drive. Great car, should be a fun car. And I'll be making videos on how I do the build, how to do everything, and I'll keep you guys updated. Yeah, that's my newest project.